So hello Caps, today our group going to be presenting about Iahs. So it is an intelligence automation health sphere for like a hospital or a smart clinic. So let's get into it. Firstly, we're going to be looking at the pain points, which is like problems such as burnout crisis, or whether it's like EHR, the electronic health record implementation, or lastly like medical coding and billing accuracy. So they're going to be assisting on that part. And for our goals, we have a reducing administrative burden. So this is going to help with enhancing our work-life balance, reduce the physician, then spend the EHR on the documentation. For example, like their pajama, maybe like times like 30 or 50%. Or we can maybe using the AI to like capture the information and then like rather than clicking, do it manually, required by an officer to complete documentation. So these are going to be like replacing the human works, or minimizing like an EHR delivery, so being able to support data recovery and maximizing the claim accuracy where the compliance and minimizing human errors are being like reduced. Mission and visions. Vision, we have like a healthcare where AI handles a paperwork and human, and we're gonna be like focused on like empathy and care on the clinical decisions. And for the mission, we're gonna be like focusing on integrating the AI in every like documentation or clinical workflow, standardize the triage of the documentation and automation, and also improving the patient access, speed, and engagement by using the AI. And lastly, ensure the accuracy of the fewer denials and faster hospital payment as well.
So this is a software interface we designed with simplicity and easily integrated to doctor work. So we got two versions. We got the laptop version, which is right here. This is contain more complex information and complex operation that doctor use in a daily life, daily routine. And we got a phone type that is gonna be contain a little more complex and gonna be help doctor to collect the data mobile. And here's how it works. So this entire system, Iahs, is a real-time AI platform that automate nearly all administrative and documentation tasks across like all the patient journey, from initial scheduling to final payment. It's just ambient scripting and natural language processing, which is NLP, to capture staff patient conversation instantly, structure the data, and push it directly into the EHR or EMR for review and sign off. This process drastically reduces human errors and staff workloads, and enable doctor and nurse to focus purely on patient, while maximizing revenue capture through automated billing and digital collection. And here's the marketing opportunities. Our marketing landscape is going to contain a clinic workflow solution. Our application aims to reach 20 million for 1 year after launches. Also, medical billing software, we're going to focus on growing at 14.1% CAGR. And the hospital, the buyers, going to accounting for 44% to 46% of the market share.
Next is the burnout crisis. So the core problem is the pajama time, overload work time, and administrative task. The objective is time recovery and physician retention. So it's a guaranteed 30 to 50% reduction in documentation time. Next is improving financial operation efficiency. The core problems are billing accuracy issues, medical coding errors, and human error. The objective of this is to cost avoidance and revenue integrity. Increase coding accuracy to 85% to 95% or higher. And lastly is the reducing throughput. So the core problems are manual work on front office all the time, no-show rates, waste appointment. The objectives are reduce administrative costs, increase patient routing capacity. So we aim to reduce no-show rates 15 to 30% using multi-way and waitlist management. Next is the business model. So starting with value proposition, sell time and money back to medical officers and providers, guaranteed time recovery. Key activities, local language, technical work on system, unfair advantage such as proprietary localization data barrier, regulatory and interoperability certification barrier. Next is key partnerships with EHR vendors, clinical associations, and special system integration. Customer segments. So the primary targets are clinics, medical place. Secondary targets are hospital chains, government, and hospital networks. Cost structure. Fixed costs, R&D, compliance and legal and security, sales and marketing. Variable costs are mentioned, cloud computing, third party, integration fees, training staff, and technical support. Lastly, for business model, revenue streams such as subscription, implementation, setup fee, and premium support and localization fees. Next is customer segments. So starting off with customer segments, we will look into our target. The primary is independent clinics and medical places. The secondary are hospital chains and government networks. Why we focus on this? The primary is speed and proof of concept. So they have faster decision-making cycles and critical need for quick operational efficiency or ROI. The secondary is a volume and standardization. They provide massive scale, high patient value, and system-wide standardized opportunity. Value focus, primary, immediate cost reduction, and secondary, system-wide outcome improvement. Thank you.
We're gonna talk about our price for our IASS application. So we start with the tier and package. On the tiers, we have like a pricing type onto base and premium. The base will be monthly on 18,000 baht, and about the premium will be 27,000 baht. And about on detail, the base thing is about like Thai and LP real-time generation, and about the data system, only like general thing. And about the premium, about like AI plus decision support integration, priority integration, and as one Iahs system. But if you decided to invent on like annual price, we will have like a discount 20%. So we move on to the package thing. So we have pricing type like three, like bundle price, trial thing, and annual commitment, like a long-term contract. So we have annual price on bundle price on like 350,000 to 420,000 baht things. So we have everything including premium support fee. And about the trial thing, we have like a core strategy on 90-day trial as a proof concept. And the last one, annual commitment, we offer like 20 to 30% discount depending on trial or bundle, like 3 to 5 years contract subscription. So we move to the additional fees that is not like the bundle or trial anything. It's about the type that you pay one time only. So it's about implementation and setup fee. So you pay like 530,000 to like around 1,000,008 something. It depends on you want to like the type of your hospital or maybe your clinic thing. And the last one is premium support fee. So you pay like 15 to 20% add to your annual subscription. Okay, so we move to the next part is financial forecasting thing. So the first one is total cost allocation for like year one, like 1 year total. So the first thing you have like initial investment, like around 4 million thing for like core platform development, pre-launch marketing and legal things. And next one is fixed cost for you. You have like the core NLP things and cloud infrastructure and office. And then the last one is variable cost. You have like a sale, data, API and premium support. So total bill are like 9 million something baht. Okay, so we move to the second part is financial performance and retained earning forecast for like 5 years. So we have like the first year we expected to have like 20 million baht for the revenue, and then for the 5 year we have like 33 million baht. And about like the total for retained earning, so we expected to have like 5 year around 100 million something.
Let's talk about marketing strategy. The first is the primary is Dr. CFO and CEO. Is with the two people who can influence the other to give the main message. The first is save time and reduce the doctor document workload time. And the second is recover revenue. It's prevent loss and capture missed income from the earlier. The second is free title. Pulling your product well before the paying. The first one is net inventory. It's measure document time before BS after using the application. Quantity, if we don't save the 4+ hours per week, they don't need to pay. And the first one is money edu. Fee review of the design or on the code climb show the CFO the revenue that could have been recovered. Quantity, we charge only based on the revenue our AI actually recovered. The last one is communication. Unfair advantage highlights that our AI is the only one trained for Thai language and hospital workflow. Key partners promote our official partnership with the national EHR vendors. The last one is clinical helper. Use the Excite doctor use to share the real successful story about bringing time back, building trust in the healthcare communications. About roadmap, we have a 4 steps. The first step is set up, or we're gonna complete the AI and all translation data and check the legal things. The second is challenge and proof. The third is sell. The last one is financial foundation. And let's move to the team. So team, we have a 4 parts. The first part is in-house. We have a foundation team. There are CEO, CFO, and CCO. And about integer team, we have a backend integer and UI UX. These are, and the last one, lead AI NLP integers. And we have a 2 outsource team. There are medical team and financial teams. Thank you.